Hi everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. Today I'm going to be making for you a very delicious cocktail which is the Strawberry Basil Margarita. So first I am going to be putting some crushed ice in my mixer. Smell of tequila. Then I'm going to add a tad bit of strawberry concentrate. Then some white sugar, not a lot because the concentrate already has sugar in it. Then I'm going to add some orange liqueur, 30 ml of it, lime juice, and last but a very important ingredient, fresh basil leaves. Now I'm just going to muddle this all together. The flavor should really set in here. I can already smell the basil. This glass for it, and in goes my Strawberry Basil Margarita. Guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment in the comment section below. Keep watching Desi Bites for some more fun recipes coming your way. One important thing is that please do taste your cocktails. Like I always say, taste your food, taste your cocktails. If you want to add, subtract anything, feel free to do it. There is no rule. Having said that, I will see you in another fun episode with another easy recipe. Till then, take care y'all. See you. Hi everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. I am Chef Pranav Kapoor and today I'm going to be making a berry smoothie. For which I have with me, this is berry syrup with berries inside it, 60 ml of strawberry syrup, take about 200 grams of yogurt, ice cubes, and I'm just going to add about 5 grams of castor sugar. So for the berry smoothie, we'll use a little fancy glass using a margarita glass. Berry smoothie served. A nice healthy berry breakfast. Oh yeah, this is my favorite. Do not forget to like, don't forget to comment, and do not forget to subscribe to Desi Bites. I am Chef Pranav and I say that I will see you in another episode. Hi everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. Today I'm going to be making an alcohol powerhouse, the Long Island iced tea. So let's get started. For that, straight up, a nice tall glass, filling it up with ice. So first goes in 30 ml vodka, 30 ml of rum, some triple sec. I'm going to add in 30 ml of this as well, 30 ml of tequila, a little bit of sugar syrup, not too much, that's it, 30 ml of gin, lime juice, and now I'm going to top this up with Coke. I'm going to throw in a wedge of lime, stir it, and in goes your straw. There you have it, the Long Island iced tea, the original version. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this simple yet powerhouse of a cocktail. Do try this at home and do not forget to like, subscribe and comment to Desi Bites. I will see you in another fun episode. Till then, you take care. See you guys.